Hi guys, my name is Lucky Charms, and today we are going to be discussing my 2021 faves as far as like hair products, makeup, nails, anything like that. So if you want to see my 2021 faves, then keep on watching. So for my first 2021 favorite, I got this breastplate for Christmas. It was really nice. It kind of came shiny, so you gotta kind of baby powder it off, but it's been really fun to wear. It kind of really matches my face skin. Could not match on camera, but it looks like it's matching really well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I just want to know how you guys feel about like the matchy of right here, chest to... Let me know about like the matchy of like the chest to the face to the arms to the, you know, everything. Anyways, the next favorite I have is the wig I'm wearing. It was given to me by my boyfriend's mom. It is really nice and pretty and just like natural, and it's got like lace right here and like just goes so well. And then another favorite wig of mine is this Webster Wigs pink, pink little, this Webster Wigs pink little fantasy here. So cute, like blonde and pink, and I've been really into blondes lately, even though like I don't love myself as a blonde. I've been really into blondes. Like this is my version of blonde. Like if this is like, this would like be my version of blonde, which is like this. Anyways, on to the next one. We're gonna be moving on to more like clothes now. There's another wig, like there's a couple favorite wigs from this year, but that will be in the wig collection video. You can click over there to watch it, or click somewhere on the screen and it'll come up and you can watch it. Also, outfit that I don't want to take out of my closet. Oh, not my closet. An outfit I don't want to take out from under my bed. I'll just kind of pull up a picture real quick. Of that blue dress my boyfriend altered for me. It is really pretty. I love it. It was so fun working on it with him. He really turned it out and made it like, because I buy dresses and then when they don't fit, it makes me a little upset. So he like altered it to fully fit me, and you know, I love it. I sliv. I think it's, you know, beautiful. I changed into a little outfit because the breastplate can get a little constricting, a little hot, so I kind of took it off. Only because, you know, it's just getting hot, and I like started the makeup with it, even though like now I think I could do makeup and slip into it and then just do lips, but it was a stupid decision made by me. But anyways, we are going to move on to the makeup because we have done our little wig favorites, but there is a couple wig favorites in the wig video if you want to click somewhere on screen to watch that. I already said that, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so we're going to start with makeup favorites. I'm going to start with the most basic stuff first. So as far as makeup goes, my favorite foundation for like all of 2021 has been Milani foundation, 2-in-1 foundation plus conceal. And then for powder, this mixed with a little kimchi because of the little powder puff. And then as far as little glitters, Pool Boy and Trixie and any other glitter made by them, but these were like the most recent ones. Don't clock my nails. They're kind of going through it, so.
Uplands, you own everything. Uplands, you earn Uplands.
I usually wear nails or gloves, but I also like don't want to cover my tattoo right now. For palette, like eye palette, I have this, the Burn Book, which didn't come out this year, but I got it this year, so it's one of my 2021 faves.
Shut up. Shut up.
For Trixie, like blush-wise, I have the, oh, nope. Back to the Fuchsia and the What About You palettes. I'm pretty sure one of these came out this year. I don't even know if either of these came out this year. But I got them this year. I also want the Summer of Love one. These are really, really good, really, really pretty blushes. I recommend them. In the Barbie palette.
Calling all barbs.
My boyfriend bought me this beautiful palette. Oh, such pretty colors. This is a little one I include just because it's cheap. This I got from Amazon for like $7. It's the I Heart Makeup LA Colors Contour Palette. Has some really good colors. I got the medium deep for drag, because then you can really go in and like sculpt Princess and the Frog blush. It's such a pretty color, and I just feel like this goes on a lot of different skin tones. Very pretty, and I love it. It's just like this muted plum. It's just really pretty. A muted plum. And then this little mirror my brother got me. It's a little, also stands up on its own. Blink. Very travel, very that girl, you know. I did get a lot of cute stuff this year as 21, like Hello Kitty wise. I do need to do another Hello Kitty Sanrio collection video. And then I did also get this little collection of like earrings, hair pieces, jewelry. It's just like a bunch of little cute stuff. Hair clips, sleeve. So this I got to hold my little beauty blender so that I don't like throw it anywhere, even though I still do. So I'm trying to support Shan less to be like a good person and not a terrible, you know, awful human, garbage person. But I try to glam. So this palette was really good and cheap, even though it doesn't have a mirror and it's sad. But it's like a Halloween palette. Anyways, it's called Wretched Romance. I did a video on it using this palette, and it was really cute. If you want to click somewhere on the screen to watch that. Now we're moving on to hair color. So as far as natural hair goes, I have like curly hair. So I use this little African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Soft and Smooth Curl Mousse. Sets, holds, and adds shine to natural coils and curls. And then I use some of this As I Am stuff. I love this like pomegranate and passion fruit curl enhancing smoothie from As I Am. And I also like the little coconut co-wash stuff. My hair to drag is like frizzy and dry, so I'm trying to like moisturize the curls. And I also have been using the All About Curls stuff, like the No Lather cleanser, and I'll put like a little picture up on the screen as I talk about it. That concludes our little hair care. I don't do a lot, but I like try to, you know, stick to what I know. I'm not going to show a lot of accessories, but lately I have been known to wear a barrette from time to time. Oh my god, this is like a little look.
Bonjour mademoiselle, je croque lunettes soleil, je veux m'envoyer, merci beaucoup, je oui baguette, bisous.
Okay, I'm gonna keep the barrette on. So I wore these for like the witch look. You can go and shop down below in the shop at Drag Nails Canada. But yeah, they're just little sliving gloves for the witch look. But then the other ones that are really nice and I really enjoyed making were these cobweb ones, and then we did like cobweb themes on the nails with like matte top coat over gloss. It was just a lot of fun to do. These are still available and the link is down below, and the ones I made for the shop look way better, trust me. The stuff I make for myself, when I know it's myself, I'm like, okay, it don't matter, like, sliving moment. And gloves are great if you want to not put on nails and then just put on gloves. So if you want your own pair, shop down below. Everyone's laughing. What? Okay. And I also wear this with the spiderweb look that I got into the Wretched Romance palette with. And these are some of our other designs. You can check them out on the shop. And if you want a custom order, we also do those too. So let us know. So that concludes our glove portion. I'm going to move on. So let's move on to some of my favorite 2021 outfits, and that's how we'll end our off. So I'll start with the outfit I'm wearing. I got this cute little businesswoman thing, and it's like my favorite, and it has like a little skirt. There's like photos of it. I kind of like this wig better with it. I like this wig better with everything. Okay, so my next outfit to show, my first outfit to show. Or no, my next outfit. I just showed the one I'm wearing.
Dumb.
The next outfit to show is this beautiful bodysuit from Wish. Also, again, trying to like support more local and I am gonna get some stuff from people locally, but this was really pretty and I didn't really have to add anything, and everyone compliments me and I get the most likes in it, so like I love it. I think my body looks banging in it, even when I didn't wear like a corset, because sometimes I only wear a soft corset to perform. Like I felt so like amazing looking in it, like even with my little like tummy I was like mm. So another one, this was like the first time I really helped any like sewing stuff. So my boyfriend mainly made this. It's my little Barbie coat. I just fell in love with this fabric and I was like, let's do it. I have a little matching bag. She's very pretty, very beautiful. I love her. She's not the best made, but it was like the first like huge project me and him like tackled, so. Oh, and another favorite of mine that I found was off of Depop, and it's like this cute little Care Bear outfit made by at Pretty Disturbia on Depop. I'll link it below because people always want it when they see it because it's so cute. And then I have like little Care Bear earrings that I found from another place on Depop. And, oh, my gosh, guys. I mean, come on. Also, they reposted me, like, they're really nice people. Very glad that I supported them. Very cute. Support small businesses, but also, like, normal businesses, you know? Like, it's not small always, like, just, like, local, you know? So now we're going to move on to some thrifted finds, because I love thrifting and I had a lot of fun thrifting. So the first one I'm going to show is this houndstooth moment. I was looking for a houndstooth coat for so long because I was inspired by Bob the Drag Queen's little houndstooth series where they use a bunch of houndstooth fabric and make a bunch of different dresses, and it was just sickening, and I was just like that's just a really unique fabric, and I've been seeing it for a while, and you know, after getting it, I saw like houndstooth everywhere. I was like, it's a sign. And then when I watched Trailer Park Boys again after getting it, I was like, oh my god, Ricky's literally wearing houndstooth shirt. Like, what? Houndstooth is definitely haunting. Another good find. It's a little tailcoat, and I wear it for my magician costume. It's really cool. I love it. I also do a little drag magic show in it, so that's really fun. I love doing it. I'm going to do it a lot more because it's really fun. I hope my sister will be my assistant again because that was honestly iconic. And I loved people's reactions to the magic show. They were like, oh my god, where did it go? We got this Calvin Klein, like, couple $100 coat for like $8 because Frenchies has fixed prices. They're not Value Village. They don't try to get cute with us. And like my prom dresses are like the same price as like that coat, which is like $8. Like you can get a lot of more stuff and you can kind of like fill up a bin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and let me know you guys want to see next time. Bye!